There are few books that don't just make you think about money. They make you rethink your relationship with it. The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel is one of them. It's not a book about how to make money. It's a book about how money makes you, your choices, your priorities, and your peace. Here are the 9 lessons that completely rewired my understanding of wealth, inspired by this modern classic. 1. Being rich does not equal being wealthy. Rich is loud. Wealthy is quiet. Rich buys a car to show you. Wealthy owns assets you'll never see. When people say, "I want to earn millions," what they often mean is, "I want to spend millions." The problem? That's not wealth. That's performance. Real wealth is invisible. It's the freedom, safety, and calm that comes when your money works harder than you do. 2. Staying wealthy is harder than getting wealthy. Making money is arithmetic. Keeping it is philosophy. Anyone can get lucky once. But staying wealthy demands patience, restraint, and wisdom. If inflation quietly eats 5% of your money each year while your savings earn 4%, you're not growing. You're shrinking elegantly. True wealth grows quietly, not dramatically. 3. Time is the ultimate currency. The real purpose of money isn't luxury, it's control over your time. When you can decide what to do, when to do it, and with whom, you're wealthy. Money that doesn't buy time isn't freedom. It's a fancier prison. 4. Without control. Over time, happiness is a mirage. You can love your work and still hate your calendar. Doing something you love on someone else's terms can feel the same as doing something you hate. Freedom isn't just financial, it's temporal. 5. Know what's enough. If you don't know where the finish line is, you'll never stop running. Do a simple exercise. List everything you want in life: your home, travel, lifestyle, and calculate the actual cost. Most people discover they need far less than they think. That realization isn't limiting, it's liberating. 6. Luck matters. More than we admit, hard work matters. But luck is the invisible multiplier. You can't control it, but you can increase its surface area. Send 100 cold emails, try 10 new ideas, show up 50 times, and luck will eventually trip over you. That's not magic, that's math. 7. Live below your means. Especially in your 20s, when nobody expects you to be rich anyway. Don't buy respect with stuff. Earn it with sense. Living below your means isn't stinginess, it's strategy. Because every rupee you don't flaunt becomes a seed for your freedom. 8. No investment is worth losing sleep over. If it robs your peace, it's not an investment, it's a gamble. If your nights depend on Bitcoin's price or meme coin's tweets, it's time to check your portfolio and your priorities. No ROI compensates for lost rest. 9. Redefine saving. It's not income minus expenses. Most of us think saving equals income minus expenses. Morgan Housel flips it beautifully. Saving equals needs minus ego. The less you feed your ego, the faster you build your wealth. You don't need more income, you need less ego. Let's conclude. Wealth isn't about having money. It's about not needing to prove you have it. If you can master that, you don't just win the game of money, you win the game of life.